Withdrawing money from Amazon Prime Video to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Prime Video purchases or earnings. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, go to the Account and List section at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your payment options. In the account settings, look for your payments option. Click on it to view your payment methods and account balances related to Amazon services. Step 4. Check your balance. If you have any earnings or credits from Prime Video, check your balance. This will show you how much money is available for withdrawal. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. To withdraw funds, select the option to transfer your balance to your bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details and confirm the transaction. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always ensure your bank details are correct to avoid any issues with the transfer.